In this video, I'll show you how you can fix input not supported in League of Legends. Now this usually happens when you're launching the game in full screen mode. So when you're after the champ select and you're about to launch into the game, you want to hold down Alt and press Enter. This is going to make your screen go out of full screen mode and into windowed mode or borderless mode, and this can fix the issue. Now if this doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to close down League completely, so exit, and then you want to come here and search for League of Legends, open file location, right click again and open file location. And we want to make sure that League is completely closed. So you want to search for Task Manager, Details, sort by the name, press L and end task on League of Legends. And you also want to press R and end Riot Client. Now League is completely closed, and then you want to go to Riot Games, League of Legends, Config, find the game folder and open it with the notepad. In here find window mode, change it to 1 if you have it on 0. If you're already at 1, change it to 0. Check if that works, otherwise type 2. So either one of those should work, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.